Oh, a little blue bird is on the grass. Why is it not moving? Is it sleeping? No, I think its wing looks a bit hurt. We have to help it, Emma. Yes, let's get a towel. Let's go check on it quietly. Okay, Mom. Can we help it, Mom?
This box will be a safe home for the bird while it heals.
Okay, Dad. Thanks. I will put this soft towel inside so the bird can rest.
See? It has a tiny scratch.
Poor birdie, don't be scared. Birds need water to be strong. Wow. I will get a tiny spoon.
Keep it steady, Tom, so the bird feels safe.
I will, Dad.
Look, it's drinking the water now.
Wow. It's working, Mom.
Birds use their feathers like fans to push the air and fly.
It's eating. That means it's getting better.
We must be very kind to all small creatures, Tom.
Wow. Yeah.
This is a blue jay.
A doo-jay. It has beautiful wings.
Beautiful wings.
I am making a get well card for my birdie friend.
They are learning so much.
Caring for others makes them smart.
Be careful. It's wool. Its feathers are very delicate. Nana.
Wow, Tom.
Tom, look! It's moving its wings!
That's it, little guy.
Let's keep its home clean. Okay, I will throw away the old seeds.
Soon it will go back to the trees.
Will it find its mom? 1, 2, 3. Eat your dinner, little bird.
See how the bird loves the sunshine?
The scratch is gone.
Can it fly now?
It's hopping. Go, birdie, go! We will try to let it fly in the open grass. Okay, Dad.
Okay, Dad. Here I go.
It's almost ready to go home. Yep, just a little bit longer.
Woohoo! Let's go!
I'll miss you. We helped you get strong.
Nature is amazing when we take care of it.
You didn't double for me.
You were a great nurse today, Emma.
Look at those wings go!
Ha! It's like a plane.
The kids learned a lot.
Yes, they learned to be smart and kind.
I'm happy the bird is healthy now. Look, Dad! It's sitting on the high branch.
Wow, you're right.
Bye-bye, little bluebird. We are like a bird family, and we take care of each other.
We should build a real birdhouse next week.
Oh, yes, I'd love that.
Listen to that song. Is the bird saying thank you? Tweet. Tweet. I can talk to them.
The sky is the bird's playground.
It's so big and blue.
It really is. We will need wood and paint. Oh.
Sounds like a great plan. Yeah, and maybe some sparkles. Let's put flowers near the birdhouse. Okay.
Today was a beautiful day for our family.
Hold this part.
I am a good helper. I want it red. I want it yellow.
This is a perfect spot for new birds to live. Ooh.
Look, another bird is checking it out.
Shh, don't scare it. I am being very quiet.
Our garden is full of life now.
Make sure the water is always fresh for them.
Ah, it's flying. Zoom, like a rocket.
Birds use twigs to build nests.
Oh. They are very smart builders. A blue feather. This is a lucky gift.
Birds go to sleep when the sun goes down.
Good night, birds. See you tomorrow. The birdhouse is busy today.
Many birds are visiting. Some birds fly far away in winter.
Do they need a map? I can see its tiny eyes. Wow. Look at that. I told you.
They are becoming little scientists.
It's splashing.
It's taking a bath in the water cap.
Look, it's sharing its food.
Yes, that's right.
When we help others, we feel happy inside.
Do you?
Will the birds get wet?
They have waterproof feathers.
Oh, okay.
They are safe in the birdhouse. Our house is safe too.
Stay warm, little friends.
Just like we have cocoa, birds have seeds to stay warm.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's good, right?
Thanks, Mom.
A rainbow for the birds!
Yes, it is. Cool. It's perfect.
They drew the bluebird.
It's a memory they will keep.
Look, bird food. Ah, yuck. Yuck. But the birds love it.
Hop, 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 I'm a birdie.
Ah, honey.
Some birds fly faster than cars.
Whoa. Wow, that's fast. I see 5. I see 6. 1 is hiding. It's him! The bluebird is back to say hello. That's a happy song. Ah.
He sounds so strong now.
Kindness makes the world a better place.
We are good at helping.
We are a great team.
Let's go see more birds at the lake tomorrow.
Yes, that sounds wonderful.
Yeah,
Time to dream about flying.
Yay!
Just close your eyes and imagine the clouds, the birds, the wind.
there it goes.
Fly high! Fly high, Bluebird! Goodbye! We will always be your friends!